Good night. I'm going to brush my teeth.
Hindi.
Ano yan?
Wondering if I should eat or...
Gusto ko kumain.
Brush my teeth.
Oh my gosh, I feel like I gained 2 pounds already.
Bakit?
Kasi
Pero that was masarap yan talaga.
it was really good.
What was it, lugaw?
Or hindi naman lugaw. It was... Yung nakalagay sa bowl.
Kumain yung tripe or hindi?
Hindi ako kumakain ng tripe.
Pork yan anyway, right? That's pork.
Pork, yeah, I think.
Sure it's pork.
Pero, like, I eat Vietnamese soup and then I think they use, like, beef tripe. But I don't eat tripe.
Yeah, me too. Hindi masyadong mahilig
Mapait.
ng tripe.
Tripe? Ayoko.
I wonder what prize Gabby's going to get. Scissor?
Without.
Or you should brush louder. Make some noise. Yun.
I don't like to open my mouth.
So I'm like, I don't hear anything. Hindi ko narinig. Okay, wala akong narinig. Pag you're not brushing your teeth. How am I gonna go?
Let's open my mouth.
This is cute. Cute talaga.
I love you guys.
I love you.
Baron.
I love you guys, Baron. Are we doing a contest? Sinong mas matagal?
I didn't brush my teeth. I only ate 1 candy.
Oh, I ate 2. Masyadong yung lasa parang sour.
Sour. Sour. Maasim.
Again?
For tongue and gums.
Wait. Teka. Sige. Ilang beses para sa ngipin. Tapos, second, for your dila at... What's gums in Tagalog?
I don't know.
Mm-hmm.